Representing Florida Elite, Cynthia Hampton. And your gold medalist, 12 girls, 400-meter dash, Florida Elite, London O'Connor. That's a Florida Elite Suite, 1, 2, and 3. 12 girls, 400-meter dash. Final. On the track, that's your girls. 15, 16. 17, 18, 400-meter hurdles. Next up, the medal ceremony for the boys, 12, 400-meter dash. Collecting the bronze medal, unattached, Cameron McRae. Your silver medalist, representing Space Coast Riders, Kyson Vernon. And your gold